Imagine a world where you could melt away fat overnight. Sounds too good to be true? Well, scientists have made an incredible discovery that brings us closer to this dream. They have identified a hormone with the potential to revolutionize weight loss. This hormone could be the key to unlocking a slimmer, healthier future. This groundbreaking discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. It offers hope to millions struggling with obesity and its related health problems. The implications are enormous, promising a future where weight management could be as simple as taking a pill. The discovery of this fat-melting hormone is the result of years of dedicated research. Scientists have been tirelessly working to understand the complex mechanisms of fat metabolism. This breakthrough opens up a whole new avenue for developing effective and safe weight loss treatments. It's a game changer. To understand how this hormone works, we need to start by looking at the different types of fat in our bodies. Fat isn't just fat. There are various types, each with its own unique characteristics and functions. We all know about white fat, the stubborn kind that accumulates around our waistlines and other areas. White fat stores excess calories, leading to weight gain and making it difficult to shed those extra pounds. But did you know we also have beige fat? This type of fat is quite different from white fat. Beige fat, unlike its white counterpart, is the good kind of fat. It has the ability to burn calories and generate heat. This process helps us stay warm and can even aid in weight loss by burning off excess calories. Scientists have been particularly interested in beige fat because of its potential in weight loss and overall health benefits. If we could convert white fat into beige fat, we could effectively turn our bodies into fat-burning machines, making weight management much easier. The challenge lies in finding a way to trigger this conversion process reliably and safely. This is where the newly discovered hormone comes in. It has the potential to act as a catalyst for this conversion. It acts like a switch, flipping white fat cells into beige fat cells, thereby enhancing our body's ability to burn fat. Imagine this hormone as a sculptor, chiseling away at your unwanted fat and transforming it into something beneficial, helping you achieve a healthier, leaner body. Scientists have identified a key player in this fat-burning process, the KLF15 protein. This protein plays a crucial role in regulating the conversion of white fat to beige fat. Think of KLF15 as the conductor of an orchestra, directing the intricate symphony of fat metabolism. Research has shown that limiting the activity of KLF15 can accelerate the conversion of white fat to beige fat. It's like removing the brakes on a powerful engine, allowing it to roar to life. By manipulating KLF15, scientists believe they can unlock the full potential of beige fat in burning calories. This discovery has paved the way for developing new weight loss drugs that target KLF15. Imagine a drug that could safely and effectively boost your body's natural fat-burning capabilities. That's the exciting promise of this research. The gut-brain connection has become a hot topic in health and science. Our gut, it turns out, is not just responsible for digestion, it also plays a role in regulating our metabolism and appetite. Scientists have discovered a fascinating connection between a gut molecule called INS7 and fat burning. INS7, a form of insulin, acts as a messenger between the gut and the brain, influencing our fat metabolism. Research has shown that INS7 can actually slow down fat burning during fasting. It's like putting a temporary pause on your body's fat-burning engine. While this might seem counterintuitive, understanding the role of INS7 could hold the key to developing more effective weight loss strategies. By manipulating INS7 levels, we might be able to optimize fat burning, even when we're not actively dieting. Section 5, Neurokinin 2, Receptor, a new weapon in the fight against fat. In the ongoing battle against obesity, scientists are constantly searching for new weapons. They have recently identified a promising target, the neurokinin 2 receptor, or NK2R. This receptor, found in the brain, plays a crucial role in regulating appetite and energy expenditure. Excitingly, activating NK2R has shown remarkable results in animal studies. It appears to reduce appetite, increase energy expenditure, and improve insulin sensitivity, all without the unpleasant side effects of nausea or muscle loss often associated with current weight loss drugs. The discovery of NK2R as a potential target for weight loss drugs has generated immense excitement. It offers hope for a new generation of treatments that are not only effective but also well tolerated. This could be a game changer for individuals struggling to lose weight. Section 6. The downside of current weight loss drugs. While there are existing weight loss drugs on the market, they often come with a host of undesirable side effects. These side effects can range from mild to severe, impacting the quality of life for many users. Nausea is a common complaint, often severe enough to make people stop taking the medication altogether. Other side effects can include dizziness, fatigue, and even more serious health issues. This limits their effectiveness and prevents many from achieving their weight loss goals. The disappointment and frustration can be overwhelming, leading to a cycle of starting and stopping treatments. Moreover, current drugs are not equally effective for everyone. Individual responses can vary widely, making it difficult to predict who will benefit from these medications. People with both obesity and type 2 diabetes often find these medications less effective. This dual challenge complicates their treatment plans and requires more personalized approaches. This highlights the urgent need for safer and more effective treatments for a wider range of individuals struggling with weight management. The medical community is actively seeking solutions that can address these diverse needs. The limitations of current weight loss drugs underscore the importance of the recent scientific discoveries discussed earlier. These breakthroughs offer new avenues for research and potential treatments. The identification of the fat-melting hormone, the role of KLF15 and INS7 are significant milestones in this journey, and the potential of NK2R as a drug target offer a beacon of hope for a future with better weight management solutions. These advancements could revolutionize the way we approach weight loss and overall health. Section 7. A brighter future. The potential of the new discovery. The recent breakthroughs in understanding fat metabolism and the discovery of the fat-melting hormone have the potential to revolutionize weight loss as we know it. This hormone, which has been the focus of extensive research, could be the key to unlocking a new era in medical science. Imagine a future where losing weight is no longer a constant struggle, but a more manageable process, thanks to medications that target the underlying mechanisms of fat storage and burning. These treatments could offer a more personalized approach to weight management, tailored to individual metabolic needs. This discovery could lead to a paradigm shift in how we approach obesity and its related health problems. By focusing on the biological factors that contribute to weight gain, we can develop more effective strategies for prevention and treatment. Instead of relying solely on lifestyle modifications, which can be challenging to maintain long-term, we might have access to medications that effectively reset our metabolism, making it easier to lose weight and keep it off. This could be a game-changer for many who have struggled with weight management for years. The implications extend beyond just weight loss. Improved metabolic health can lead to better overall well-being and a higher quality of life. By addressing obesity, we can also tackle the numerous health problems associated with it, such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. This holistic approach can reduce the burden on healthcare systems and improve patient outcomes. This discovery has the potential to improve the health and well-being of millions worldwide. It represents a significant step forward in our quest for better health and a brighter future for all. Section 8. The road ahead, further research and clinical trials. While the discovery of the fat-melting hormone and the related research findings are incredibly exciting, it's important to remember that we are still in the early stages. More research is needed to fully understand the complex mechanisms involved and to ensure the safety and efficacy of potential treatments. Scientists are currently conducting further research to determine the long-term effects of manipulating these newly discovered pathways. They are also working on developing and refining drugs that target KLF15, INS7, and NK2R to optimize their effectiveness and minimize potential side effects. Clinical trials are crucial to assess the effectiveness and safety of these potential treatments in humans. These trials will involve rigorous testing to determine the optimal dosages, potential side effects, and long-term outcomes. While it will take time to bring these discoveries to market, the future of weight loss is looking brighter than ever. Section 9. Conclusion. A new era in weight management? The discovery of the fat-melting hormone and the groundbreaking research surrounding it mark a potential turning point in the fight against obesity. While challenges and further research lie ahead, the future holds immense promise for safer, more effective, and personalized weight loss solutions. Imagine a world where weight management is no longer a constant battle but a more manageable aspect of life. This discovery brings us one step closer to that reality. As research progresses and clinical trials unfold, we can remain hopeful that a new era in weight management is on the horizon. The journey from scientific discovery to a widely available treatment can be long and complex. However, the groundbreaking research discussed here gives us reason to be optimistic about a future where obesity is no longer the formidable health challenge it is today.